Hello and welcome back to Travel Tipsy. If you're planning a trip to Thailand and looking for some inspiration on where to go, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to show you the 10 best places to visit in Thailand. From the bustling cities to the stunning beaches, Thailand has it all. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Thailand is a popular tourist destination for a reason. The country is known for its vibrant culture, delicious food, and stunning scenery. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation or an adventure-packed trip, Thailand has something to offer everyone. So, without further ado, here are the 10 best places to visit in Thailand. Bangkok. No trip to Thailand would be complete without a visit to its capital city, Bangkok. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, street food, and ancient temples. Don't miss out on the Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kew, which are some of the most iconic landmarks in Bangkok. Chiang Mai. If you're looking for a more laid-back atmosphere, head up north to Chiang Mai. The city is surrounded by mountains and is known for its rich history and cultural traditions. Make sure to visit the Night Bazaar, where you can shop for local handicrafts and sample some delicious street food. Phuket. Phuket is the largest island in Thailand and is known for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation or an adventure-packed trip, Phuket has something to offer everyone. Krabi. Krabi is another popular beach destination in Thailand. The province is known for its limestone cliffs and crystal-clear waters. Don't miss out on Railay Beach, which is one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Koh Samui. Koh Samui is another beautiful island in Thailand. The island is known for its luxury resorts, stunning beaches, and vibrant nightlife. Don't miss out on the Big Buddha Temple, which is one of the most iconic landmarks in Koh Samui. Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya is an ancient city located just outside of Bangkok. The city is known for its ancient temples and ruins, which are some of the most impressive in Thailand. Don't miss out on Wat Mahathat, which is home to the famous Buddha head entwined in tree roots. Sukhothai. Sukhothai is another ancient city located in northern Thailand. The city is known for its well-preserved ruins and ancient temples. Don't miss out on the Sukhothai Historical Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Pai. Pai is a small town located in northern Thailand. The town is known for its stunning scenery, hot springs, and relaxed atmosphere. Don't miss out on Pai Canyon, which offers some of the most stunning views in Thailand. Koh Tao. Koh Tao is a small island located in the Gulf of Thailand. The island is known for its crystal-clear waters and diverse marine life. Don't miss out on the opportunity to go diving or snorkeling in one of the many dive sites around the island. Kanchanaburi. Kanchanaburi is a province located in western Thailand. The province is known for its beautiful scenery, waterfalls, and historical landmarks. Don't miss out on the opportunity to visit the bridge over the River Kwai and the Hellfire Pass Memorial Museum. And there you have it, the 10 best places to visit in Thailand. We hope this video has given you some inspiration for your next trip to Thailand. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos and tips. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful time exploring the beauty of Thailand. Happy travels!